Hello everyone. So today I will talk about how Ajinkya Gabake redesigned the IIT Madras student apps. So this project aimed to make the app easier for students to use. Let's look at the method that used and see how they will work. The designer used this method, which is survey to get the user feedback, and the second one is user personas to show the different student types, and the third one, information mapping to organize app content. Number 4, wireframe to sketch the new design, and then next, testing wireframe with users. Number 6, visual design, ignoring the new logo, and then the last one is making a prototype of the final design. So now let's look how this method works. The designer used survey and his own experience to find the problem with the all apps. This had find issues like hard to use menus and also the outdated looks. He also made user personas like Shara Studios to show the different student needs. This is good for understanding the various users among the students, but he could have done more, like talking to users face to face. Might have found more hidden problems. Also, looking at how people use their apps could have given more information too. And then for the analyzing, the designer look at the survey result and user persona to understand the user's needs. User persona to understand the user's needs. This helped him to make better choice for the new design. For example, he found that around 30% of users checks the food menu. Most of the time, this is helped him to decide which features the most important among the students, such as like food menus. And then he also look at where thumb can reach on full screen. This helped him point button in easy to reach place, but he could have used more numbers to back up his idea. Look at how people use the app could have had even more. Coming up with the idea, the designer came up with the new ideas for the app layouts, the app's layouts at the home screen. He had to do this on the home screen to help students manage their own time. This is the new features that wasn't have in the old version of the apps. He also made the food menus clearer, showing which menu is for which dining hall. But he could have worked with students to come up with even more ideas. This might have led to more creative solution. Making decision, the designer tests his ideas with users to make change based on their feedback. For example, he changed the timetable to schedule and made it look like a card instead of table. Such as the day before, like a timetable, so they use the table icon so that he changed to schedule and make it look like a card and also like the calendar, so people will understand more like nowadays. He also add the dark mode to the apps to easier on the ice again night. Also, he could have he could have been clear about how he decide what worked and what didn't work. So it would be good to see more detail about the user's test. Talking about putting the ideas into the action, the final design fixed many problems found early. The new bottom menu, home screen with the to-do list, the dark mode, all help solve the user's need. Designer also make sure the apps look consistent using the same style, text, color, and icon throughout. But the case study doesn't say if they check how well the new app work after they launch it. But it will be good to keep getting user feedback and make more improvement. Okay, to sum up, the method used in the redesign were mostly good and focused on the user need, but there were chance to do more in-depth research, work more with users, and check how well the apps work after they launch. Doing this thing could make the app even better in the future. So that's all about the case study that I've learned from the link that I will give in my description. Thank you for watching.